Well, ISO was covered a little bit earlier, but now I'm going to show you how easy it is to change it on your camera. Now, my camera has two ways that you can do it. If you have it in the fully automatic function, it really makes it simple for you. It just on the back, you just press up on this disc and it chooses your ISO, and you only have two choices. You have auto ISO or high ISO. Now, the reason that's important is because of how I explained how low ISO and high ISOs work. So if you are in a dark situation, then you know you need a high ISO. So if I go back to the aquarium example, and you've turned your flash off, so you're shooting through the glass, and now you know there's not enough light for you to capture a decent image, so you need to turn the ISO to high. And the camera will go ahead and pick a nice high film speed so that it can get as much light as possible and stop your image, and so you don't have a lot of blurring or camera shake. Oh, I know. On this one, if I turn my camera to manual, which a lot of these cameras have this awesome manual function, I can just go to here, I move it to manual, and now when I press ISO, I can choose everything from auto and high, which we just talked about, but I also have the option of 100 speed film, 200 speed film, 400, 800, or 1600 speed film. So if I'm shooting a sporting event, I might go ahead and put it on 1600 speed because I know I'm going to want to stop that action. Or if I'm just taking some nice portraits and I have a lot of light coming in, I might go ahead and decide to put it on 100 speed film, especially if I'm shooting maybe a macro or very close-up type image. So it's so easy to do, and the great benefit of having a digital camera over a film camera is you can change your ISO every single time you take a picture, where traditionally you would have to use 12, 24, or 36 exposures, whatever the roll of film is you bought, at that same film speed. So whether it be 200 or 400 or 100, you were sort of, stuck using that film speed. So here it's great. So make sure you change it when you need to, and it's a great tool for you to use.